Hello, my name is Ekima, CEO of Ekima Wellness Center, and today I want to quickly talk about one of our new products that we call the Super Cleanser by Ekima. First of all, before I tell you what the Super Cleanser by Ekima does, let me show you something. The Super Cleanser by Ekima is a 100% NAFDAC registered product, so you don't have any issue with taking it in. So what does Super Cleanser by Ekima does? The Super Cleanser by Ekima is a product that is specially formulated for the destroying, eradicating, curing of all types of bacterial infection. Any infection at all that you have, as long as it is bacteria, we talk about staphylococcus, we talk about chlamydia, we talk about gonorrhea, we talk about syphilis. No matter how many years you have been battling that infection, if you take the actual dosage of Super Cleanser, come back to me. My name is Ekima. Let's see if that product will know, if the infection will not clear out. Take the right dosage. There's a proper dosage. If by the time you place your order and we give you a call, just explain to whoever is calling what you are feeling. They will tell you how many you are to buy. So now I know you'll be asking me, what is the price? How are we sure it will work? I am guaranteeing you. My office is at Block A, Suite 5, Primatech Plaza in Pen Cinema, Lagos. You can walk into the office, consult me. I'm not running. This product, I'm giving you a guarantee on it. If you have been battling any type of infection for long, no matter how many years, Super Cleanser will clear it. Now, before I tell you the price, let me show you something. You see this? This Denic Herbal Cleanser by Ekima. And yes, it is 100% NAFDAC registered too. I don't sell any product that NAFDAC does not approve because I'm very certain of what I do. I let NAFDAC test it first, show that it works, then they approve and we start to sell. So what does this product do? This product detoxes. This product detoxes. I'm going to be giving you this product free for every single bottle that you buy. So what does it do? You have back pain, you have waist pain, you have menstrual pain, you have any type of pain at all. It flushes it out. Toxins, impurities, it flushes it out. Man, you know they perform. Oh yeah, Denic, take one bottle per night. If you will not dash me money, change my name from Ekima to anything you like. One bottle per night only. So what is the price? One bottle of Super Cleanser is 15,000 naira. 2 bottles is 25,000. But if you are buying now, I'm going to give you 2 bottles of Denic along with 2 bottles of this for 25,000. The Denic would flush out all toxins from your body, guaranteed. To flush it all out, guaranteed. No matter the things you are passing through, to clear it all out. So what are you waiting for? Place your orders now. And if you are doubting me, go down on this page, read the testimonials of hundreds of clients that have used the Super Cleanser by Ekima. Nobody uses Super Cleanser by Ekima and goes back to their doctors. It's not possible. Place your orders now.